Hello everyone. So we just finished our topic 1 test and I'm super happy about just moving forward with all of you and getting to just be more familiar with all of you. And so I just wanted to make a quick little intro video about Canvas and where we're going to find everything for topic 2. And so again, this is our homepage of our Applied Algebra 2 course. And this is our link to our everyday meeting for Zoom. And then this little flex/nest sign right here is going to bring you to my Friday nest Zoom. And then anytime you need help or anything like that, if we schedule a time, this would be the link. And then anytime I do office hours on Wednesdays, this also is the link. So this is our class, our scheduled class, and then this would be office hours or the nest time on Fridays. And then this pink link right here brings you to all the pre-recorded videos that I make. So if you click on this link, it brings you to this page here, and it has all the videos that I record. And so these are all chapter 1, and then I will make start making chapter 2, and they'll appear here as well. So just a little side note that if you can't wait for the live video or the live video is taking a while to load, these are here an option for you. And sometimes they're shorter than the live videos because it doesn't have the breakout rooms or anything like that. It's just me going over the notes. So that's a great resource to go ahead and take advantage of. And then everything that you are going to need is going to be under modules. So modules right here will bring you here, and these are just going to be the class resources. And so anytime we come up with something that we think would be really helpful, we'll put it up here, and we'll also tell you when we put something there. So how to submit a PDF document on Canvas is there. The equations in the Canvas is here. And then we are going to be in topic 2. Okay, so now we can see topic 2. I had to refresh my page. So topic 2 is right here. And so topic 1, if you needed to do any missing assignments or anything, is still here. It's just down below. And topic 2, we have several things in our module already. So fun little fact is if you click right here, topic 2, it'll bring you down and get rid of everything. So if you wanted to get rid of everything from topic 1 to make the page shorter, you can go ahead and click on it. And then for topic 2, there is a quick little newsletter if you wanted to look at that. And it basically is just an overview of the entire chapter. So what you would take away from each section, some master key skills that we're going to be learning, some practice ideas, and then it also relates it to common standardized tests for the SBAC or the SAT or ACT. So that's a good resource for you to look at as well. And then the topic 2 calendar is right below. And you're going to find everything you need right here. So everything's going to be linked right here, okay? So the PowerPoint for the day, the guided notes key for the day, the live video, and the pre-recorded, like I said, will be made and put there as well. And then the links to your homeworks are there. And then on this last column, there is a bunch of resources for you. So maybe vocab is a struggle. So there's some vocab options here. Maybe the lesson just didn't make sense to you. There's a different type of lesson here that you could look at along with the key. Maybe you just need more practice than what I give. And so there's another additional practice there. Maybe you just want to challenge yourself to get a deeper understanding of the math or more practice again, and that would be this enrichment, and that's there for all of the sections. So 2.1, 2.2, and so on. And then you can also look ahead and see when the first quiz is, when the first test, lab, project, all of that. Everything is here in this topic 2 calendar. Okay, so again, just everything, I tried to put it in one spot for you. So with that being said, there's the topic 2 guided notes, which you should have printed out if you went and did material pickup. You should also have the topic 2 vocab printed out. And this link right here is actually a link to it filled out for the ones that we're going to need. So if you wanted to fill in yours, it's there. Or if you wanted just to print this or just save it on your computer and reference it anytime, again, it's there for you. And then the last thing I want to point out is I do make weekly checklists for you. So if you wanted, you could print these or you could download them, and they'll tell you what you're expected to do each day. So Monday you guys have a day off, and then Tuesday we'll be starting the topic 2, and then Wednesday, and then Thursday or Friday. So these are made for you every week and put right there in the modules. So the main 2 things you need are modules and then this topic 2 calendar. Everything is in those 2 things. I hope this video was super helpful, and I really am super excited to work with all of you. You all just seem so amazing, and I enjoy every single class, and I love the comments that I get from you guys, and I really look forward to just growing more and letting you guys get more comfortable and getting more comments from you guys. Have a great day.